Hi. Okay, so I received this TEMU. Yeah, I think pang second or third parcel. Ayan, TEMU. Okay. Okay, let's open up or unboxing. Okay, here we go. Paano ba to? I don't have scissor, pero we'll see if I can. Okay. So, not that hard. Medyo weird lang yung packaging nila. Okay, here we go. It's getting there. Okay, yes. So finally, we're able to unbox my parcel from TEMU. TEMU. I don't know how you pronounce it, but okay. So first one. Okay. I think it's pretty okay. Writable siya. Ayan. So may kasama siyang pen. Okay. Sorry, Basti, you're here. Okay, this is for kung may mga halaman kayo or mga plantitas. So especially yung mga yung monstera or any vine or something like that na plants. Ayan, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. Ayan. Or any cables na loose cable na you can use it. So it's pretty good. What else I've got here? Okay, what's this one? Okay, so yung mga car enthusiast, if you wanna, yung sa side mirror ninyo, especially when it rains, ayan, I think it's kind of okay. We'll see. We'll check it out soon. Another one is, okay, I bought this one before, and sabi nila, why don't get another one? So here's my second one. And there should be two here somewhere. Anyway, so yep, it's good for your kitchen sink, and yeah, it's really good. Okay, one more. How come it's open? Oh, okay, my selfie stick. Actually, binigay ko kay Kisha yung isang selfie stick. So I have my new one. It's kind of okay naman. So there's a remote here. Ayan. I don't know if you can see properly. Yeah. Ayan, tama ba? Ayan, so selfie, oh, and then that's Mochi as well. So yeah, my selfie stick, new selfie stick, it's kind of easy. Sabi, just put it out. Ayan. Okay, which is up to there. It's not bad. Kind of okay naman. I think this is how you, so open that one there. Then lagay mo yung, any phone there, I think. Yeah. Okay, so pretty right. I'm happy about that. We'll check that again soon. And this one pala is for if you have a kitchen, and it's a nice wording. So gusto ko siya, and hopefully I'll attach this one pretty soon. Hey Mochi. Okay, what else I've got here? Okay, this is for my iPhone Ultra. Let's see how we go. It's it's a white, they said white leather, so we'll see. Okay, one more I've got here is, oh, it's a wireless mouse. Yeah, wireless, so it's good sa work. Kakatabad kasi yung mga may cable or wiring, and yeah, we'll see about this wiring. Wireless mouse. It's a good buy. So ayan, okay, it's pretty good. So you add a okay, so that's the USB connection. It's a wireless, so we'll see. Okay, all right, looks pretty good, pretty happy. So Mochi also trying to check as well. What else I've got? Okay, so yeah, that's it. I bought 2 of these. So yeah, I just may spare in case something happened. What else, Mochi? Oh, okay, I remember this one is ano siya, yung sa arm sleeve. Okay, let's open up. So, arm sleeve siya. Okay. Ayan. So, it's probably good for maybe playing volleyball or something like that. So, ayan. I hope you can see. Okay, it's so nice. It's so soft. Good quality, I guess. Yeah. Malambot siya. It's nice. Cute. And lastly, oh wait, okay. All right, I kind of interested on this one, especially when you do deep fry. Ayan, okay, deep fry siya. So para yung when you try to get it, tapos may strainer siya at the same time. So it serves like a tongs as well. So ayan, para siyang tongs din. So let's try and open up and ayan. Okay, so if you want to try and pick it up, so you do like this. You scoop it and then that and then yep, pick it up. It's really cute. Pretty handy, pretty light. Serves as a good purpose, I guess. Yeah. Oh, you like this one, Mochi? Mochi. Okay, yeah. And what's this one here? Oh, I bought two pala. Okay. Can't even remember how many of those. Ayan, dalawa pala yung nakuha ko. And what else I've got here? Okay, I think this is oh, okay, mamaya naman yan. Oh no, it's crumpled. Okay, this is where you use this when kapag nag-deep fry kayo para hindi tumatalsik yung mantika or whatsoever. So this is parang pang-cover mo. So and then yung your pan, and then you open this one like an enclosure like that. Yeah, I think it's parang lang siyang foil. Yeah. Parang siyang foil. Okay, ayan. And this one is good for gardening. Sabi sa measurements, sa dimension is 100 by 75. So, yung mga, especially mga mag-garden, kung may mga lupa kayo, you buy sa Bunnings or any other garden shop, you pour yung soil. It's a soil replacement pad. So, yung mga magtatanim, especially mga people who live sa mga unit, small unit, especially sa balcony, this is really, really good, especially for us, as we live in a unit and we have a good balcony, para ano siya, no mess. So, let's open up, and okay, I'm pretty happy. Ayan, okay, it looks pretty good. So, how you attach it? How you attach this one? Okay, anyway, I'll work it out. So that's about it for today's unboxing ng TEMU. So, alright, thank you so much. Bye-bye.